Are you ready to truly escape? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with unmatched quiet. From bustling commutes to noisy open offices, their industry-leading noise cancellation melts away distractions, letting you dive deep into your music or focus. It's not just quiet, it's an immersive sound experience where every note and detail shines without interruption. Worried about power? These marvels boast an incredible 30-hour battery life, perfect for long flights, road trips, or marathon work sessions. Switching devices is seamless thanks to multi-point connection. Effortlessly jump from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. If you're looking to buy the best headphones for productivity, travel, or pure audio bliss, the XM5s are a serious contender. Their sleek design and exceptional comfort mean you'll forget you're even wearing them, making them truly stand out. Curious about the latest price? Check out the Amazon link in the description below to grab your pair today. These aren't just headphones. They're an investment in your peace and audio enjoyment, an upgrade you won't regret. Seriously, for the ultimate listening experience in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is absolutely worth it.